This video highlights the improvements made to MoversSuite at version 2021 R18. In this version of MoversSuite, we added the ability for you to mark non-order-related documents as inactive. These documents are those associated to account profiles, equipment records, and to your personnel. For example, to access such documents for an account profile, open the Customer Service category, click on an account profile, and open the record you wish to update. Under the Documents tab, you can click on a document to view its properties. Here you can see the newly added inactive flag. Ticking this flag and saving the record instructs the application to remove the document from this profile. Once the record is saved, the document is no longer available. There is also a new option at the top of the Documents tab to remove all documents. Clicking this button sets the inactive flag on all documents linked to this profile record. You will be prompted to confirm this request. You can also set the inactive flag on documents associated to equipment records, which you can find under Operations. And likewise, you can mark documents associated to personnel records listed under the Personnel category as well. Of note, documents associated to a profile display on the Account Profile tab in MoversSuite. Equipment and personnel documents are visible through the Local Dispatch module. Just to recap this change, you can mark non-order-related documents as inactive. Doing so permanently removes them from your system. Check out these topics for more information on this feature: Account Profile documents, Equipment documents, and Personnel documents. In an effort to unclutter the contract selectors in the Admin tool and in MoversSuite, you now have the option to mark Contract Master records as inactive. Under the Accounting and Financial Services category, open Contract Master and select a record that you wish to not be available any longer. Tick the new inactive flag to no longer show this record elsewhere in the Admin tool nor in MoversSuite. Records marked as inactive no longer show as options on Commission Plan Detail records. They will also not show in the order defaults on Account Profile records. In MoversSuite, on the Billing Information tab in Order Information, the inactive contracts no longer appear in this selector either. Please note that if a commission or revenue item links to a Contract Master record that you mark as inactive, then the link to the inactive record remains intact. In other words, the application continues to reference the inactive contract for any future transaction processing that may occur. One caveat on this change is that in order to mark a record as inactive, it cannot be assigned to a Commission Plan Detail record or to an Account Profile record. You will receive an error if you attempt to inactivate a record linked to either of these two setup areas. The error does indicate which setup area, and records remain linked to the Contract Master. For these records, you will need to reassign or remove the association first before you attempt to mark the contract record as inactive. View the Contract Master Setup topic for further information on this option. In order to further improve streamlining our installation process of MoversSuite, we have removed the system flag from several labor type records. Doing so helps lessen confusion and data overhead associated with additional unneeded records. Under the Administration category, you can view the Is System Type flag on various labor type records. If we view the Collector record, we see that the Is System Type flag remains set after upgrading to this version of MoversSuite. This is because there is special functionality associated to the collector record, and we prevent you from updating the name of this record or deleting this record. The Is System Type flag is read-only. If you search for this flag being set, you can see all the labor types that we consider to be system type records. The upgrade process will uncheck the flag automatically for all labor types that are not in this list. Refer to the Labor Type Setup topic for further information. There are other changes in this release, so make sure you read through the rest of the information within the online help at version 2021 R18. Thank you.